It is wonderful that you have found your way here and are consciously taking this moment for yourself to find some peace. Has life been feeling heavy for you lately? Are you here today because your mind is constantly racing, leaving you feeling tense? Many of us try to counteract this by simply lying down, but often the thoughts just continue to race. This happens because our nervous system is in a state of constant alert and has forgotten how to switch into rest mode. I want you to know that this is a completely natural reaction to the demands of our time. It is not a sign of weakness, but rather a signal that your inner system needs a break. And that is precisely why you are here now. This alone is a sign that a part of you is longing for rest, for a place where your nervous system can finally regenerate. Don't worry. In the next few minutes, we will practice some methods to give your mind and body a chance to relax and regenerate. The only important thing is that you give yourself permission for this active pause. Only then can this truly work. You don't have to force anything here. Simply let yourself be guided and allow your body to do what it does best, to soothe and regenerate itself. Now, find a position where your body feels truly supported. You might like to lie down for this, completely surrendering your weight. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Let us arrive here together with a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, clear air. And exhale through a slightly open mouth with a gentle sigh. Once more, breathe in deeply, creating space within you. And as you exhale, feel your shoulders sinking down, becoming soft and heavy. One last time, a deep breath in through the nose. And gently release. Now, become fully aware of the contact with the surface beneath you. Feel how the floor or the bed supports you, completely and unconditionally. Allow your body to release a little more weight with each exhale. Sink gently into the surface beneath you. You are safe. You are here. You may simply arrive in this moment. And now, your journey begins. Bring your attention to your right hand. Feel where it rests, its shape, your fingers. Notice how your hand lies loose and relaxed. With the exhale, let any remaining tension flow out of your right hand and from each individual finger. Breathe in once more, and with the exhale, allow the hand to become even softer. When now travel in your mind from your hand slowly up your arm. Feel your forearm and your upper arm. Bring your attention to your shoulder. With the inhale, simply notice how it feels. With the exhale, gently let it go and relax. Now move your awareness from the right shoulder across the back of your neck to the left shoulder. Feel the warmth that flows through your body with your attention. With the inhale, feel how the shoulder is supported. With the exhale, you let any tension melt away. Let your attention wander slowly down your left arm. Feel your upper arm, forearm. Notice where your arm touches the surface. Continue on to your left hand. Feel your palm, your fingers, all the way to your fingertips. With the exhale, let the tension flow out of each individual finger. Guide your attention back up to your neck. Feel how your head rests securely on the surface. With the inhale, imagine how warmth flows through your neck. With the exhale, every single vertebra in your neck relaxes. Let all of your neck, let all the muscles in your head become loose. Feel your face. With the inhale, notice your forehead. With the exhale, it becomes soft and smooth. Relax your cheeks, jaw, and mouth. Let your face completely soften and release. Now, travel in your thoughts from your face over your neck into your upper back. With the inhale, feel the support and how strength builds. With the exhale, let your shoulder blades sink deeply into the mat. Feel how your entire back relaxes. Bring your attention to your lower back. Feel where it touches the surface. Breathe in, and with the exhale, you release the tension. Once more, in and out, deeper and deeper. Feel how your back settles into the surface beneath you. Now, travel from the hip to your right leg. Feel the thigh and the lower leg. With the inhale, just notice. With the exhale, your leg becomes heavy and relaxed. Feel your right foot. Breathe in. And with the exhale, the remaining tension flows out of your leg. Now, move your awareness to the left leg. Feel the thigh and the lower leg. Are they heavy or light? With the exhale, you also let go of any tension here. Feel your foot. With the exhale, let all remaining tension flow out of your body through your toes. Your entire body is now loose and relaxed. Remain for a few moments in this relaxation. Become now aware once more that your breath is the bridge to your nervous system. So let us gently make use of the power of an extended exhale, because it signals to your brain, right now, everything is safe. You can relax. And when you are ready, take a gentle, deep breath in through your nose as you silently count to 4. And slowly and gently breathe out again as you silently count to 6. Let us repeat that once more. Inhaling and silently counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel how your body softens with the longer exhale. One last time, in your own rhythm. Inhale, counting silently to 4. And gently let go again as you silently count to 6. Now, let your breath flow naturally again, without controlling it. Notice the sensations for a moment. Perhaps you notice a small shift, a deeper calm. That is your nervous system beginning to shift into balance. Enjoy the silence. Enjoy the feeling of safety and comfort. This is your natural state. And very slowly and gently, it is now time to bring your awareness back. Bring very gentle, small movements back into your body. Start by moving your fingers and toes. Perhaps gently circle your wrists and ankles. Stretch and lengthen in any way that feels good for your body right now. Take a moment to notice how you feel now. Perhaps it has become a little quieter within you. This peace is not a coincidence, but the result of your conscious decision to act instinctively find rest. This ability is like a muscle. The more you train it, even for just 10 minutes a day, the stronger and more accessible it becomes. This peace is always there for you, often just a few breaths away. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes and arrive fully back in the here and now. Take this feeling of safety and comfort with you into the rest of your day. I thank you for giving yourself this time for you and your inner peace. If you would like, share your experience in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future meditations. Take good care of yourself, and until next time,